Best Practices for Collaborators. The main responsibilities of collaborators within the platform are updating the status of assigned tasks, track working hours in tasks. Notifications. At COR, we recommend checking your notifications daily. These inform you in real time the creation, modification, or update in tasks or projects in which you are involved. Here, you'll be able to see which tasks you have seen and which ones you have not. Click on Archive to have a clearer view of your notifications. Go to Settings to customize your notification settings for projects, tasks, and alerts. We recommend keeping the Web Notifications column always on so you don't miss any important workflow updates. Customize email notifications to your liking, either with an instant, every 1 hour, daily, or weekly report. Click Save to save changes. Help button plus COR Academy. If you need assistance or you encounter a technical problem on the platform, click on the Help button, type your query, and press Enter. Accesses to Support Center articles will be displayed automatically. You can click on them and follow step-by-step solutions. If you can't resolve the issue, write a direct message to the support team. You can attach files and/or close the chat. By clicking on the COR Academy button, you will be redirected to COR's e-learning, where you can delve into the main features and access useful information for optimal performance on the platform.